see you there, across the room, just sitting back, taking it slow. Something about the way you move got me feeling like I should know. Swimming in your eyes tonight, swimming. Everything feels so right. Can't help but gravitate to this magic we create. Swimming in your eyes tonight. The water's warm, the music's slow. You catch my glance, and then you smile. My heart beats fast, can't look away. Let's stay right here for just a while. Something divine about this night got me floating in your glow. Swimming in your eyes tonight, swimming, swimming. Everything feels so right. Feeling. Can't help but gravitate to this magic we create. Swimming in your eyes tonight, tonight, tonight. Time stands still when you're near. Everything's clear in this atmosphere. Oh, oh, oh. Swimming in your eyes tonight, swimming, swimming. Everything feels so right. Feeling. Can't help but gravitate to this magic we create. Swimming in your eyes tonight, tonight. Just you and me in this blue light. Swimming in your eyes. Ripples in the water below. First glance across my boat, someone I don't know. Moving closer through the mist. Something about the way you swim. Time slows down, water spins. Taking chances, diving in. Sapphire lights reflect what we might be. Just you and me, floating endlessly. Sapphire lights show what we could see. If you swim a little closer to me. Midnight swimmer, hair slicked, eyes so bright. Palm leaves swaying, summer air tonight. Can you feel it? Surface tension breaking now. Bodies moving, showing how. Every ripple tells a tale of what happens when we sail. Sapphire lights reflect what we might be. Just you and me, floating in the could see. If you swim a little closer to me. Past the deep end, where no one else can see. Breaking surface, setting feelings free. Sapphire lights reflect what we might be. Just you and me, floating endlessly. Sapphire lights show what we could see. If you swim a little closer, swim a little closer, swim a little closer to me. Water dripping soft and slow, my reflection down below. Taking time to breathe and know. Midnight's calling for no silent mode. Everyone's gone home, just the water moving against my skin, so soothing. Time stops when I'm here alone. No need to be strong. Let the quiet take me, while the water makes me whole. Float away from yesterday. Let my mind just drift and sway. Just me and the water, nothing else matters. Just me and the water, finding my center. All my worries fade to blue as I sink into the view of stars reflecting, connecting with the ripples that I make. Every breath I choose to take brings me closer to myself. In this moment that I felt, let it flow, let me go. Everything I need to know is right here in this space, where I finally found my place. Just me and the water, nothing else matters. Just me and